Welcome to the all-in flat-out weekend, and we're just starting the autocross now with a interesting variety of vehicles. Right now a Lexus on the course. And here comes a Volkswagen Passat. '57 Ford, not stock as you can tell, through the tight portion of the course. Now these cars are going to pick up a ton of speed as the day goes on. There goes the Lexus starting its first portion of the course. Lexus just finishing its run as the Passat starts its second run. Okay, give you a little different angle. Auto slalom or autocross, Solo 2, is all about car control. The more precise the driver, faster they can make it through the corners, and the quicker they can accelerate between the corners. The courses are set up to have a little bit of higher speed, not really high speed, but an area to accelerate, a tight section that commands skill to get through quickly, and a stop box at the end where the times are taken. And if you touch a cone in the stop box, you're disqualified. Here we'll catch the Lexus coming through on the back side of the course. And now for something a little quicker. The Firebird that's coming at us is actually a road race car out of Castrol Raceway. Yeah, notice that really tight piece. That's where skill really comes in. Making up time or losing time. And plus a little. Take care. Okay, we're going to have a BMW highly modified M30 coming up pretty quick. This car is equipped with suspension body modifications, ground effects. Now watch how it comes through this slow section. Very precise, very quick, not losing time. And again we have the Firebird. Far side of the course, up by the stop box. And as they come in, they hit any of those pylons, the run doesn't count. Big penalties for touching pylons. 2 seconds per pylon. touch it in the stop box, you're out. Cool. Now we're on the far side of the slow section now. Now watch how they come through this corner. Picking up speed the whole way. As the Firebird crosses the top of the course. And again, watch how they come through. And again, when you get to the stop box, don't touch a pile.
That'd be so fun. Oh, it'd be fun here.
Notice all the people enjoying themselves here in Drayton Valley today. Everybody's doing really well with social distancing, behaving well, and enjoying what's happening.
Good. Nice job, you brought her back. That'll make you...
As you can see, a really good crowd here today enjoying the auto slalom. And everybody's behaving. They're staying in their family cohorts or keeping their social distance and having a great time on a Sunday, August. We'd like to be able to do more of these, but that takes support from you. So let your town council member know or your county council member know, and we'd like to bring these back next year. Take care. There's only about an hour left of the autocrossing at All In Flat Out, and it's been a really good day. Great crowd, everybody's behaved according to the rules. The entry fees have just about doubled as the day has gone on, with a lot of local entries. Everybody having a great time. And we'll be moving into the casual, unofficial show and shine between 4 and 5 o'clock. It's been a great day. If our count is correct, about 800 people have rotated in and out. Everybody's staying for a while, and they're going to be coming back to the show and shine and the music tonight. So it's been a really great day here at All In Flat Out. Okay, we're now about 5:30 and well into the show and shine. It's a casual event, officially a non-event. Everybody's just kind of showing up. But you will notice that to meet Town of Drayton Valley requirement, we're having to space the cars unusually. But that's okay. We want to be able to do this again, so we're following the rules. And we've got a great selection of cars. We're up over 60 already and still climbing. Everything from the 30s right up to the 2000s. Hot rods, patina rods. A lot of the rally folks have stayed so you can meet the drivers. All in all, it's been a great day. It's going to run till about 8, 9 o'clock. Right now it's tape music running. But about 7:30, I understand there's a band that's going to come down and jam because they got nothing better to do to make it a little more exciting. And it's a local band from here in Drayton Valley. Oh, well, I love you,
We are so glad to see everybody out having a good time. I just want to remind everybody one more time that the cars have to be spread out.
Yeah, everybody will think we're broke out here. So here we are at the show and shine. Things are just starting to wrap up. We've had some awesome cars, awesome music, and pretty quick the band is going to start to play. It's been a really good Saturday. For those of us working the event, it's been a really long one. Since 6:30 this morning. But all the rules have been followed, all the spacing's been followed, as you can see. And we look forward to getting the cooperation from everybody involved to do this more than once next year. great way to show what Drayton Valley's made of. Now we can push through almost anything when we work together. Okay, our band's ready to go.
Thanks
This
again,
last
everybody, for coming
announcement,
out tonight.
It's the closing
We're going to
piece
have a great
of our
little
big
rock show
Saturday.
here tonight. This band has lost gigs for 5 months with this nonsense. And I also want to remind you that they're going into the studio this week to record some stuff, and I want a big round of support for these guys. This is the spirit of this town right here. So this is Ghost City Outsiders, and I want you guys to enjoy the show. We got a little donation thing down here because these guys agreed to come out to play for free, which is, I think, over the top wonderful. So thanks again to these guys, and have a great show, guys.
Thanks, Doug. Hello, everybody. We are Ghost City Outsiders. Stevie, you want to give me something there, buddy? Just give me a little start there. There we go. All right. Well, we're going to do a little mix of some of our own stuff, and we'll play a few that everybody knows, but let's just have a good time. Are you ready? Every time I look away from running down that straightaway, I fall flat out on my face. I don't wanna be afraid of what's down the road a ways. I just wanna get myself out of here, 'cause I gotta move on, live a life with no regret. And I gotta move on, loving every minute that I get. Some of us could stand real still inside a gentle breeze and feel like everything's alright.
Playing for about an hour.
Others chase that real
And our
big storm
day's
and
done.
love it when it all feels rough. I just wanna get my